McCabes Pharmacy is the largest retail pharmacy chain in Ireland. We have 110 pharmacies with 8 million items that we dispense per year. That's 8 million potentials for error or near misses. In that fast-paced environment, it's really important we get it right. Our sister companies are United Drug and TCP Homecare.
In a typical shift, we can maybe have up to 40,000 items going out. By the time that's gone through this operation of conveyors, it's got everything that that one particular pharmacy needs for that day.
As a regional manager, I look after 20 stores. So you can obviously have phone calls and Teams calls, but you couldn't get into the detail. Now, with SafetyCulture, it's given a whole new way of working without physically being in the stores.
There's so many different ways that we can use it to communicate directly with people on the shop floor and out in the retail.
We're a highly regulated environment. We need to ensure that our processes are there to support our colleagues.
Our errors are the responsibility of our entire team. And if you have that sentiment and mentality around error reporting, you get an improvement on your systems throughout the entire network. If, let's say, something goes to the regulator as a complaint, you have all that documentation to demonstrate that you did all these corrective actions to prevent it from happening again. How can we utilise the skills of a pharmacist but reduce all the administrative side?
SafetyCulture is becoming integral to how we operate daily.
You can't have a poor safety record and be in good business. The two go hand in hand. It's really, really important that we capture any unsafe incidents that occur on a site. If you can capture those before they hurt somebody, you can address those. Being able to do this and capture these and start having a database of potential problems, you can start analysing those and take action about them. There's a module that's just been launched within the platform itself called Investigations. It enables us to be able to see at a glance what the problem was. Why is it in this area we're having twice as many of those type of incidents than we are in this area? What is it about that area? What can we do to reduce it down in there? We need to let people know that. Then we can do it really, really cleverly using heads up and hit a button and get it out there immediately. If we really, really care for the people, first of all, the business is better, but then the people will really deliver. It's making them more aware of their surroundings, and it helps them look after each other as well.
We are constantly evolving and looking at new iterations for our ways of working.
What might work well for this particular process, let's say in the warehouses, you might have to tweak it and make it look slightly differently into retail. So in terms of safety, you might have to make those tweaks to the processes that you've got. And SC really enables you to do that.
We can make that simpler, faster and easier, ensuring that patient needs and care are met 100% of the time across our business.